The Prime Minister, the Right Honourable Robert Muldoon.
E nā iwi, me nā waka o te moto. Tēnā koto I te āhuatanga o te honga mate. Tēnā koto, tēnā koto. I feel pleasure and pride in being given this opportunity to endorse Maori Language Week. This program will give New Zealanders new insights into Maori culture through a greater exposure to the Maori language. As a further signpost for a promising era of cultural development, Maori Language Week is both timely and appropriate. My government is increasing the emphasis on two tangata policies. One priority is Maori language itself. Already there are more than 200 active Maori language groups with some 5,000 participants throughout New Zealand. These figures clearly show that the Maori language is not neglected in our education system. The same figures may suggest the future of the Maori language rests and is safe with the young people. But that does not absolve the older people of their responsibilities towards that language. So it is that I ask all New Zealanders to be a part in some way of the spirit of Maori Language Week. The language can be brought more into our daily lives, into the homes, the meeting places, the shops, the offices and the factories. For many of us, both Maori and European, who cannot speak Maori, a great problem is simple shyness. This problem faces all people when grappling with a new language. I have asked Mr. Couch to consult further with Maori leaders and their communities and bring to me proposals to increase the use of Maori language for all New Zealanders. I congratulate the organisers of Maori Language Week for their determination and sincerity to help all New Zealanders to a better understanding of our Maori language, which is part of every New Zealander's heritage, now and for the future. Ka ati rā, e pāma, e kuima, e nā iwi katoa, kia kaha, kia aranui I a tātou, kia manawa nui, kia manawa nui.